Ever feel like you're wrestling a crocodile when it comes to your finances? QuickBooks, the accounting software that's dominated the market for decades, can feel like that sometimes. Complex interfaces, clunky workflows, and limited features leave many small business owners frustrated. So, the question begs asking, is QuickBooks on its way out? Is there something better lurking around the corner, ready to streamline your finances and free you from the struggle? The answer? Absolutely. There's a whole new generation of accounting software taking the market by storm, offering a user-friendly experience, powerful features, and seamless integrations that leave QuickBooks in the dust. But before we dive into the future, let's take a quick step back. Why QuickBooks isn't cutting it anymore? QuickBooks has served its purpose well. It's a reliable workhorse that's helped countless businesses manage their finances. However, the world of business has changed drastically. Businesses today operate faster, leaner, and more globally than ever before. QuickBooks, with its desktop-based approach and limited functionality, simply can't keep up. Here are some key pain points that are pushing businesses away from QuickBooks. Complexity. QuickBooks can be notoriously difficult to learn and navigate, especially for non-accountants. Features are often buried deep within menus, and the interface can feel dated and clunky. Desktop-bound. In today's mobile world, relying on a desktop application to manage finances feels restrictive. Business owners need access to their data anytime, anywhere on any device. Limited scalability. As your business grows, so do your accounting needs. QuickBooks often struggles to handle complex inventory management, multi-currency transactions, or advanced reporting. Integration issues. Connecting QuickBooks with other business apps can be a real headache. This lack of seamless integration creates data silos and disrupts workflows. These limitations are forcing businesses to seek out alternative solutions. The rise of cloud accounting. The future of accounting is undoubtedly cloud-based. Cloud accounting software offers a multitude of benefits that traditional desktop applications simply can't compete with. Here's why cloud accounting is taking center stage. Accessibility. Access your financial data from any device, anywhere in the world, with just an internet connection. This allows for greater flexibility and real-time financial insights. Enhanced security. Cloud-based platforms offer robust data security measures, often exceeding what a small business can implement on its own. Automatic updates. No more worrying about outdated software. Cloud platforms keep your software updated automatically, ensuring you always have access to the latest features and security patches. Scalability. Cloud accounting software can grow with your business. As your needs become more complex, the software can adapt, adding new features and functionality seamlessly. Seamless integrations. Cloud platforms integrate effortlessly with other business applications like CRM, payroll, or inventory management software. This creates a single source of truth for your data and streamlines workflows. The contenders. Top cloud accounting software options. Now that we've established the clear advantage of cloud-based accounting, let's explore some of the top contenders vying to replace QuickBooks. FreshBooks. Known for its user-friendly interface and intuitive design, FreshBooks is a popular choice for freelancers and small businesses. It offers features like invoicing, expense tracking, and simple reporting. Xero is a powerful and feature-rich platform that caters to a wider range of businesses, from startups to established companies. It boasts robust accounting tools, inventory management, and advanced reporting capabilities. Zoho Books is a comprehensive accounting solution that integrates seamlessly with other Zoho applications. It's a great option for businesses already invested in the Zoho ecosystem. Wave. Completely free for basic accounting needs, Wave offers invoicing, expense tracking, and receipt scanning. It's a good option for freelancers and solopreneurs with very simple financial needs. These are just a few examples, and the market is constantly evolving. The best platform for your business will depend on your specific needs, budget, and team size. Finding the perfect fit. Choosing your cloud accounting software. Deciding which cloud accounting software to use deserves some careful consideration. Here are some key factors to keep in mind. Features. Identify the features most crucial to your business. Do you need advanced inventory management, multi-currency support, robust reporting capabilities? Make a list of your must-have features and prioritize them. Ease of use. Consider the technical expertise of your team. Opt for a software solution with an intuitive interface and readily available tutorials or support options. QuickBooks isn't going anywhere anytime soon, but the future of small business accounting is undoubtedly cloud-based, feature-rich, and designed for the mobile, data-driven world. By understanding your needs and exploring the options available, you can choose the champion that will help you tame the financial beast and free you to focus on what really matters, growing your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.